Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So yes, today we are here with an Ibotta tutorial video. Ibotta has got to be by far my favorite rebate app of them all. There are so many amazing features with Ibotta and I'm so pumped to share them all with you today. So we are just going to dive right in. So Ibotta is a rebate app that literally has rebates for just about everywhere. There are grocery rebates, online rebates, alcohol, clothing, specialty, just anywhere possible you can even think of, there is probably a rebate for it on Ibotta. So with Ibotta, the main thing a couponer takes advantage of are the grocery rebates. There are tons of stores that are a part of this. Even Aldi and, Bilo and Kroger and Walmart and just tons of stores that are included in the Ibotta program. So we're going to talk kind of about how we do this. So Walmart by far has the most rebates. I don't know why, but Walmart has the most rebates. As you can see, sometimes it takes a second to load. There we go. Here are all the grocery rebates available right now with Walmart. Tons of them. Literally tons of rebates. So, a good place to pull up, there are 3 sections that I love to look for rebates. Actually 4, I'm sorry. There's Buy It Again, What's Hot, Best Value, and New Offers. New offers will display any new rebates that are available on the Ibotta app. So as you can see, there's always tons of rebates that are brand new on the app. So you might be thinking, okay, how do I do this? The first thing I always recommend is to tell people is to scan the item to make sure that it qualifies. That is super important. So as you can see right here, we have the trolley candy. 50 cents back on any trolley, sour bite, crawlers, 5 ounce or larger. What I recommend to do in the store is to get your product and scan it. So, there's this little button right here called Check Product Barcode. You just line it up, and if it does a little check mark, it means it qualifies for the rebate. That plain and simple, that easy. So you might be thinking, okay, I'm finding my rebates, I check the various sections. They have it divvied out, dairy and eggs, pantry, beverage, frozen, all that stuff. But you might be thinking, okay, how do I redeem a rebate? So the first thing you have to do to redeem a rebate is you have to unlock it. So you see this little plus right here? Click on that. It'll have you read something or answer a little quick question or watch a video for 10 seconds. After you do that, you just click Add. And your rebate is now unlocked and you can go and shop and get that rebate. Now, a good thing to notice with Ibotta is you do not have to have the rebates unlocked before you shop. You can do it. Maybe you forgot to unlock something. You definitely can go and add that when you get home. Not all of the apps are like that, but the Ibotta app is, which is another really good feature. So let's say you want to redeem a receipt. You want to upload your receipt and get your money back. You're going to click on this little button down there that said Redeem. And with Walmart, it'll have you scan the QR code. But with other stores like Kroger or CVS and places like that, you will take a picture of your receipt and it'll walk you through that. But every time you want to redeem a receipt, go to the store you're wanting to redeem at and click this button that says Redeem. So if you wanted to do it at Kroger, same thing. You would just click on the button, Redeem, and that's how you do it. So that plain and simple. Or you also can do it up here where it says Upload Receipt, which is what I do with Kroger. I always like to upload my receipts at Kroger. A lot of the stores now do have an option where you can connect your card, but I personally don't do that because I don't think computers are glitchy and they miss things. So in my opinion, I would steer clear of that. So yeah. Alright, that is how you upload and get rebates back on there. You might be thinking, well, how do I withdraw money? Alright, so there is a button that says Withdraw Cash. I can't show it to y'all because It shows personal email information. But with the withdrawal section, there are gift cards. You can cash out for gift cards. You can cash out for PayPal, for bank account, and for Venmo. You just have to hit a $20 minimum in order to do that. So it's really easy. You just link your PayPal account to it if that's the route you choose. That's what I've always done. Link your PayPal. It'll just transfer right over to your PayPal within like 5 minutes, and you'll have your money really quick. So as you can see, I have earned over $4,000 using Ibotta. This app is so great. It's so amazing. I highly recommend it to anybody who wants to save money, who wants to earn money. As you can see, I earn lots of rebates, lots of bonuses. I have a bunch of teammates here, and that is really cool. We all can be on the same team, if you didn't know that. Now, for the team, you might be thinking, well, how do I get on your team? You get on my team with my referral code. And when you do a referral code, basically what you'll do is when you sign up, it'll ask, do you have a referral code? If you go ahead and put in my code, AYJJJR, we will be placed on the same team. If you don't use Ibotta that much, those level bonuses are kind of hard to hit. They want you to have $20 in rebates before you'll get an extra bonus. But when you're on a team, we're all working towards getting the $20. It's a lot easier than doing it on your own. So put in that code. It helps me out, and it'll help you out as well. You'll get an extra like $10 for signing up. So yeah, that is subject to change, but as of now, it is $10. So it is really, really neat. Finally, Ibotta does a really cool thing called bonuses, and I absolutely adore bonuses. There are 2 different types of bonuses out there. There are levels, and there are just regular plain bonuses. So let me show you an example. Here was my July level 2. If I did 15 rebates, I got an extra $1 back. And this is cumulative, and it tracks over time. So that is how that works. You can stack those with other bonuses. So here was a bonus from this week, $3 on Weekend Warrior. Do 8 rebates, get an extra $3 back on top of what I already earned. I would get back an extra $3. That is really cool. They also run bonuses like this one. If I did 3 Kellogg cereal rebates, I got an extra $1 back. So just a lot of really great options there with Ibotta. Lots of bonuses, lots of ways to earn money. So that is how I use Ibotta. I think it's a phenomenal app. I don't think there's too much else to it. It is super easy. You just look through, you see what rebates you want, and you select those. You upload your receipt, and you get them. It's that plain and simple. There's not much to Ibotta. It's a really, really easy app. So yeah, that's all I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.